There's nothing wrong with hooded eyes, but they do come with their own set of rules. If you have them and you're frustrated because your shadow isn't showing up for you, today I'm going to show you why that is. Hi, I'm Barb. Welcome back to my channel. This is where I talk about all things skincare and makeup for mature skin. So let's go ahead and explain what hooded eyes are. Hooded eyes are when your eyes are closed, you can see your eyelid, but when you open it, they disappear. And that is because this flap of skin right here comes down over your eyelid. And the older I get, the more hooded my eyes become. So let me show you how to work around that. If your eyeshadow is not showing up for you, it could be because you're applying it just on your eyelid like this. This is the way I used to do it before I learned the proper technique. So when I open my eyes, you can see nothing. You can't see the color that I put on there because of this hood coming down over my lid. So let me show you workaround. You're going to start with a color that is in the range of your skin tone. It doesn't have to match your skin tone exactly, but it should be in the range. And you're going to find this crease right here. You can see that crease. You are going to put your shadow just above that crease. So you can go in and make a dot right there for your guideline, and that's where you're going to start. And you're going to bring it high to lift your eye. So go up towards that arch and down into the inner corner and bring it out like this. You don't want to bring it down. Keep it high. And then I'm going to put color on my lid, and I'm going to bring it up again a little bit higher than my natural crease. My natural crease is right down in here, but if I put it there, it's not going to show. So we'll go ahead and blend it on the eyelid and then take it up slightly above the natural crease so it will show. Like that. See, and already it looks better. This just looks droopy and old. This one, you can see the color and it is looking better. So then I'm going to go in with my darkest color for some contour, and I'm just going to put a dot right there in the outer corner, and I'm going to blend that with a pencil brush. And you want to keep the angle going up like this, not downwards. And again, bring it above your natural crease so you can see it. And bring it in about 1/3 of the way onto your eyelid. And don't worry about making a mess out here because you can always clean it up with your foundation brush when you are done. And you can make that a little darker if you would like by putting more. Always start light because you can always add more color, but it's harder to take it off. This is a cream to powder shadow called Shadow Sense. It does not crease, so it is excellent for mature eyes. It's crease proof, smudge proof, budge proof, waterproof, gluten-free, cruelty-free, non-GMO. It's anti-aging. It is all the things that you would ever want in an eyeshadow. It's going to stay where you put it all day and all night. And then you go in with your lightest color, and I like to use a shimmer or a glitter for this, and it goes on your inner corner. Just going to put some like that. You can use a brush or you can just use your ring finger. Always use your ring finger in the eye area because it has the least amount of pressure, and your eye area is very delicate and very sensitive, so you don't want to be tugging on any skin. So look at the difference. In the old way I used to do my shadow, where you can't see it at all, and then the correct way. And then always finish up your look with mascara. Never skip that because mascara helps to open up your eyes and make them look bigger. This is Fiber Extend mascara, my absolute favorite of our 3 mascaras. They are plant-based fibers. There's no shedding, there's no fallout. I have contacts on right now, perfectly safe to wear with contacts without an issue. False lashes without the expense. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. So make sure you're putting your mascara on. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you have a request for a video you would like me to do, put that in the comments as well, and I will look that over. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you would give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again next time.